So, hello! So kung gusto niyo makita yung mga ano natin dito, ito naman yung model natin sa Nueva Vida. Sa Prestige, may furniture na tayo, may sink, at lahat ng closets at doors dito ay galvanized steel to prevent corrosion and termites. At itong concrete lahat dito, this is made of hard concrete. Yung ginagamit pang building na guys. Yung earthquake proof, flood proof, yan yung gamit nito. Kaya, kung gusto mo ng safety, piliin mo yung Megavita 1. Pag pumunta ka dito, this is our garden area. And here is our living room area. Actually, it is very spacious sa personalan, guys. It is really spacious, to be honest.